lot more people here from Iowa than that. Let me hear from Iowa. All right.
There's some Yankees up in this big too.
Now,
they come from a
one
long way.
Left to go.
Long way.
One tractor left to go. High maintenance and Josh Smiley is on the bubble at 229 and 53. 229
High maintenance for the win.
And
High maintenance is
53.
win.
I apologize to the fans here because I had the man broke, but I guess he got it fixed and was able to come back. So anyway, on this planning there. So anyway, up there tonight, tractor. So the last tractor in the class is coming up right now, and this is the white Louis Steel Kyle Finley. I'm not even going to try to say it. Only Dave can do that. Knows exactly what it is. I won't even try.
I've got 2 greens and a red over here in the corner. I've got 1 tractor left. How many of you would like to see it go all green? Where's my international people? I want to hear international. Woo! Where's my John Neal people? Can you do it?
Well, last year, favorite home ranch was Kentucky.